This is an interesting one. Guy got off the freeway, followed me to my house, and pulled me over because he needed his AC repaired. Long story short, I ran out there right quick. Anyway, it's Sunday morning, 8:45, and it's 100 degrees out. Normally, I was going to take the day off and just relax, but this guy's situation is a little different. Him and his spouse just adopted two young foster children, and their house is like 100 degrees. So, you know, it's a tough situation. So I was going to take the day off, but I called up one of my partners. They're going to open up the supply house for me. This is not a quick fix. It's not like just replacing the capacitor in 10 minutes. This guy needs a unit replaced. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do this Sunday. I'm going to go over there and get this gentleman and his new acquired family some air conditioning. So let's go get this guy some AC. Hiring?
Yeah.
No, man, this is just me.
Okay.
What do you do?
I help with installs, so I can
Who you been working for? How long you been doing installs?
G. Bailey Air, some dude on my street.
How many years you been doing it?
2 years.
Okay.
I just started going to school, so
Well, let me give you
I
my...
want to keep my foot in the door with installs. I'm really good up in the attic.
Really?
I'm small, so
Text me your info, because definitely, maybe I could use you this year, but next year I'm expanding a little bit, and I'm going to need an installer, man.
which one?
It doesn't matter, either one. The 619 is my personal. But I'm going to need some help next season, okay?
All right. Yeah.
And maybe even this year, because I am getting kind of overwhelmed.
Yeah,
It's me and one other guy, and yeah, we need
I
some
really
quality
like
guys.
It's something I've done.
Well, I got to run.
All right.
But hit me up, okay?
I'll send you a couple videos that I've done.
Do that for me.
I do them. I prefer to.
Keep grinding, man.
Yeah.
Anthony, my man. Yep. How much did they pay you per hour? Well, there you go for opening the store, bro. You just made 150 bucks. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate you, brother. It is a big deal. Yeah, that's it. Here we go. Nice old Ford, huh? You're a Steelers fan too?
Born in Pittsburgh, man.
That's what's up, bro.
Yeah.
Let's get it, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm giving up my Sunday for you.
The nice thing today, man, is like you can.
I'm just kidding,
You
man.
can watch like your phone,
Yeah.
record a game,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it'll be fine. The highlights are better than the game anyway.
You don't record it?
No, man. You can go on YouTube, watch the whole damn thing anyway.
Yes.
Yeah, she's cooked, man. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Go get my tool bag and...
I won't bird dog you.
Nope, you won't, brother. It's fine. If you want to, you can, though.
No, I'm good. But what I'll
You get them...
I don't have to fucking.
Look at all this money in here, Eddie. Look at all that.
Send me a thing or take my car right now.
No, bro. I'll send it to you, man. Don't trip. You're going to pay me. You going to pay me now? Or you going to pay me later? What you going to fucking pay me, pal?
I was done, bro. I need more. I put a 70.
There is no tomorrow, Eddie. There is no tomorrow. Like Rocky Balboa's Mickey said, there is no tomorrow. All right, so we got a customer here on a budget. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the outdoor condenser with a 410A. This is a 410A/R22 coil, so it will work. It won't be as efficient, but it will work, okay? So you just got to advise the customer of what you're doing. This coil could pop, it could last, I don't know. It's old, so I've had people in the past that were balling on a budget and they needed their air conditioner fixed. They couldn't afford the coil and the condenser, so I advised them what I was doing on R22 coil. I don't advise this. Can you do it? Yes. Will it be efficient? No. Will it operate maximum capacity? No, but you can do it. I press it up to like 400 psi. If it holds, everything's good. I've had systems out there 5-6 years now still running R410A condenser on R22 coil. It's not the right way to do it. I'm just saying in an emergency situation you can. So yeah, let's get this condenser changed out, get this metering device in for this guy. All right. Dry in the attic, but it's just too hot. I should have installed it up there, but out here there's not a lot of rain, there's not a lot of rust, so it'll be fine outside. However, on the East Coast, most likely, or high humidity areas, has a lot of rust and rain. Recommend putting that filter dryer on the inside. All right, it's 255. It's pretty good. So I let this sit there. 255.4. I'm gonna put this disconnect together. So my pressure is rising. 255.5. I know I don't have any leaks, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull a vacuum on this thing. You guys scared me. You're welcome. Is it hot in there? Yeah. I'm gonna get you some AC, okay?
Like, I don't live here, but like, yeah, he's our foster kid.
No, he's your foster kid, but he's still your brother, right? Your new brother?
I already have my own brother.
Yeah, but you got a new one now. How cool is that?
We
You
have
got
two.
You got two of them though. One for each side, right?
We
All
have
right.
two at the same time.
All right. I'm gonna get you some air, okay?
All right.
All right. This is hanging way down like that. I'm gonna tighten that up a little bit. No. I had a gas generator.
Oh, you got a gas. Gotcha.
But I want natural gas or gasoline because I'm not going to use the gasoline. I'm going to hook it right up to my house off of natural gas. That way, the carburetor, you can let it set for months. It's not going to ever get gummed up.
That's
so you
the
go,
worst, dude.
you go to start it up, and you got to be cleaning the carburetor every year. You know.
That is the worst.
That is. It's like them old weed whackers. Remember?
Oh, all the. I mean, I went through so many different riding lawnmowers in Ohio. Always carburetor issues.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah. Okay.
Because you leave it sit for the winter out in the shed.
That's it.
It
So I'm gonna
gets
get.
down to 0 degrees for a couple weeks, and you don't even think about it.
I'm gonna get. I was gonna get battery backup, but I don't need that shit. I'll just get a generator, man.
Yeah.
If I had critical stuff, it'd be different. Like my neighbor's got he's got a server in his upstairs, in a
Right.
loft. He's IT, so yeah. I just need to get another generator.
How much is a natural gas? I'm talking Ernest. We're trying to help him finish up here. But Not yet. Not yet. Soon, though, sweetheart.
Yep. We're gonna get you some air in there.
But our punter, I think he blew his knee out, man.
Oh wow.
They ran into our punter and they called it on us.
Unbelievable, man.
The dude took our punter's knee out and they called it holding on Killebrew for holding the guy while he injured our punter.
Crazy.
They were just trying to be dirty.
Sounds like they were succeeding a little bit.
It was very frustrating. All we did was kick 6 field goals, didn't get in the end zone. But Justin Fields played really.
I leave the batteries out of these because these things tend to drain the batteries sometimes. So. You know what I mean? $35. We're good, right? You can see how.
Looks good.
Like it?
Yeah. I like the new pad.
All right.
Sitting nice and level. It's good, man.
I got a little pitch coming off of that just so water runs off. You
Perfect.
can't really see it.
Right. Perfect. So the water runs off of it.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. And I mean, most importantly, man, you give me a good price and you got it done. I mean, it's like,
Yeah.
what did I meet you? Like 12 hours ago?
Yeah.
You know? So
That's it.
you'll get my highest reference around here.
All right, my man.
Many years.
Let me get cleaned up and get out of here so I can go watch some football and drink some beer.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. That's a wrap. So you really didn't have the extra money to replace that coil and furnace up there. Yeah. All right. I marked this 410 because it's got a green top on it. And it looks just like my RS44B can. So you don't want to make that mistake. All right. I'd rather look like an idiot than feel like one and dump a bunch of RS44B into a 410A system. It's a wrap. So we didn't have the cash to do the furnace and coil. So we're gonna come back in this winter and probably put a coil and a furnace in for him. But in the meantime, he has air conditioning. Not matching equipment, but it's working. All right. Thanks for watching, and it's on to the next one. If you're watching me on TikTok, go over and hit that subscribe button on YouTube. It's in my profile, the link. So I got, trying to get some of you guys over there as well. So again, thanks for watching. It's on to the next one. Oh man.
No,
You bought it like this?
Yeah, but I've done, I mean, in Ohio, I had a giant garage and did a lot of that stuff. Here, I got no tools, I got no compressor, I got no nothing.
Geez, Matt, this is nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Is it open?
No, it's not. It's a small block Ford 351.
Nice.
The shocks and springs are super stiff, but we just did the front axle.
California car. California vehicle.
Oh yeah, drive it slow. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah.
No rust on this baby.
None. No rust.
Whoa.
The guy, myself. But your truck looks like one of the trucks out of Twister.
Out of Twister, huh?
When you were following me the other day, like, I could see you pretty far back. You know what I mean?
Out of Twister, he said.
Looks like you're chasing tornadoes in that truck.
Oh wow, bro. Looks that bad, huh?
No, I'm just saying. You got,
Yeah.
a lot of stuff on there. Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Hey, Ernest is the man.
Oh man, I don't know about all that, man. But
Making it happen.
trying, man. All right, let me go home. It's a pleasure working with you.
Enjoy what's left of your weekend, Ernest.
All right, man.